Hi guys, my name is Reggie, Chief Technician and Master Detailer for Mafra, Italy. This is my colleague Ali, and in this video we're going to show you everything you need to know about Lubrigraph. The conventional way to coat or protect the underside of the car is with a product that contains a lot of bitumen. So it creates a coat protecting against chemical agents and wear and tear on the bottom of the car. However, with Lubrigraph, we do something different. Lubrigraph is a product that protects, shields, and gives lubrification to moving parts on the other side of the car. This because of a combination of paraffin and wax. The product itself can hold its own for 2 years with only one application. How the application goes, I will show. But you will see the benefits of this product is that when you apply, it's immediately ready to drive and it doesn't drip. So it gets a fast and easy application of this product. This product was designed in Mafra, Italy, and researched and developed as well. Now let's follow me into the car and see what results we can get. How to prepare? It will include a gun to disperse the product to the undercarriage of the car. Just remove the cap, remove the ring, put the gun inside the product, and we're ready to go. Adherence of the product, make sure you pre-clean the surface that you're going to treat with the Mafra Perfect Degreaser. Just with the application of one can, you can easily do a complete undercarriage of one car. You will still have some left. No dripping whatsoever. Completely covered. So without the additive of the bitumen, the car maintains its natural state. Natural plastics, natural metal colors, everything as it should be. Just protected and lubricated for 2 years.